Your house looks brand new. After we're done,
Am I supposed to hide now?
What?
Hide for what?
Because we used to do that.
You
We
say
have 4
hi.
people. Terrence, you go in.
Oh.
You say RB side over here.
Let's go. Oh,
They do have a... Is that a store?
go right here.
Yay! Store. Whoa.
You only have one side open?
Hey y'all, it is the next day of the camping trip and I just wanted to come on here and show y'all my shirt real quick. It says I'm literally just a girl because I'm literally just a girl. But right now I'm finna braid hair, bro. She got me braiding hair on a camping trip. That's so ghetto. We should have been did this on Thursday night, but you know, I was working. She was working and I was tired. But yeah, right now I'm about to braid her hair. Yeah, I just got this crew neck on for now because your girl is yes. I'm gonna go outside. I don't know. And then I want to go to the stove because
Yeah, wait. Let me grab my jacket. The wind is winding, y'all.
yeah, the wind is very much winding. I would put her on camera, but she looks a hot mess right now. That's why I'm gonna do her hair, so that we could both be vlogging. I'm gonna take pictures out here too because there's a lake or whatever. There's a water park too. I didn't get to show you guys yesterday, but I'm gonna show you guys in this video. Don't treat it. But yeah, I'm not gonna. I mean, I did record where we are, but y'all will never know when we come in, so it don't really matter. This is one of our sites that we go to sometimes.
Oh, my hair do look a hot mess.
My cup is so cute under my cup. It's holding. But it's bright and early. I want to do like a little walk around video. You put the stuff outside? You put the stuff outside? Oh, okay. Well, there we go. Now you can see me. This is what we use it for her hair. This little black control. This is what I use for my hair too. My hair is 4C and it kind of works pretty good. So
Thanking the old stylist friend that put us onto that product.
literally,
No name though.
no shade,
No team.
all shade, no shade, all shade. Trying to get my camera position. I'm gonna show me.
My hair's not that bad, but it's like sort of.
Just clean it up. Gotta clean her little part up real quick. Get some J.O. These white folks are like, what the?
This is so ghetto.
What are we doing? Put your head back. Just clean your part of it real quick. We trying to figure out what we're gonna do today. All I know is I want to go to a little store and give me some snacks or whatever. Because I was supposed to get some, but I never did.
Look, I want to do my nails to get it over with, but I don't know what to do, so I just cut them down because those didn't know.
Hey, I'm not gonna record the whole time of me doing her hair. I'll come back like mid.
Halfway.
Yeah.
When you click and record, like, god dang.
Oh yeah, I can't even really see, but we're done. We're done.
Looking a hot mess.
We're done. Yeah, you can't really see
Hallelujah.
in the dark. You're not even looking a hot mess. You're so dramatic. Okay.
You next. You asked us to the ride.
We're riding a bike.
I lock the door first.
Man, you can't even walk straight.
Turn around 2 seats.
I know. I don't even
Wait, I
ride.
can't turn my bike around either. Hold on.
If an accident happens, I'm because I can't.
Bye.
Think my phone will fall out?
Yep. You break it. I'm gonna kick your behind.
You
I'm
break
not
you
playing.
by.
Put it in your
break
bra.
you by.
Put it in
No,
your
mine
bra.
fell out.
Came off.
Put it in your drawers.
I have you on camera
Put it
saying
back
that.
here.
I did. I just
I'm
did
talking to
that.
her.
I have you on camera
I
saying
just
that
put that
though.
phone for you.
Go
Right?
down here.
I hold it.
Go where?
Go make a left and go all the way around and come back that road and come back in here.
You crazy.
And so she ain't pedaling. She ain't got no electric.
Leave me with that.
She can only pedal. I ain't say that.
Better like everybody else.
Y'all ain't coming either? Robbie, y'all ain't coming?
Lynn ain't riding. He said Lynn gonna ride with y'all. You see Lynn ain't move, right?
He just looking when I said that.
He said Lynn
Okay, let's see if I can ride and record at the same time. Oh! No. You gotta stay in your lane for making you fall.
I am drunk driving. So I can't.
Don't say that out loud. Don't say that too loud.
Oh, my arm's starting to hurt.
You go to the left.
I'm so dark though. Yeah.
Come on now, so stop it.
Stop! Who's stopping? You said the other road.
No, he said this one it comes
To the back.
Oh.
I don't want to go there.
Oh gosh. Now I'm super bright.
Dirt. Baby, what you listening to? YouTube.
About what?
Bike ride. Bike ride. Ooh. Oh.
All right, right back to my head.
It's so beautiful. I'm trying to hold on to my thing at the same time.
Did I hit a
Fall
hit?
down.
All right.
If I fall down,
Girl.
oh, we almost crashed. Hey, it stopped recording, I think. Oh no, no, I didn't.
Over there, we're clearing somewhere.
That way.
Get over on the other side.
On the other side,
Yeah, the car come on this way and that way.
but it's still, it's gonna get over whichever way we're going.
AJ, get over. Right there.
Saw nice sceneries,
They got cats.
little cabins. I'm gonna fall. Probably
Whoa.
too close to my face. Okay, I don't know. I don't know like this. Okay, y'all. I'm drinking a little drinky drink, and we're about to play spoons with the toys.
I play some mess they don't know nothing about.
She being a hater all in the
She is being a
background.
hater in the background. Like, really see what I'm doing. I took off my lashes, but I'm gonna put some on later. Those ones were just old. I had those on for like 4 days. Need some new ones. But yes, update. Watching Martin in the background, as y'all can see. Waiting on her to get these potatoes on the boil so that we can go outside and play. So yeah,
Robbie took him again in hand.
now we out doors. I'm about to play.
How many cards did we get?
Why you didn't get all the same
Oh.
size spoons?
No, we get 5.
Here go y'all
I think.
friend. I can't
Yeah,
come
yeah,
out
we
here. I
get
got
5
to go.
because remember we gotta put one down, pick one up. We are.
Oh, you do cards.
So you think we're just gonna sit here and play spoons?
Right, like it is day 3, and right now I'm about to get ready to get my nails done. Nails done while you're camping, crazy. But I need to get mine up done. Oh, I want them done. So that's what we're doing right now outside. My hair stems, put that down. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Get my nails done. We'll shave them off and take them off because I want my nails to be longer than this. This is kind of a little too short now for me.
Wish I could have got to him. Dude.
No,
I don't know if he was.
He wasn't. His family was a straight wimp.
Is that what it was?
His family.
He said he didn't want it. Because he was like a whole single heir of it.
Yeah, the guy.
Yeah, he was
The
like
one,
a
the one that settled.
He was a single one.
The one that got it. He ain't had no, no more family. The tree. The
Yeah,
tree
he
was
was
down.
at the end, of the line.
Yeah,
The dude,
yeah.
what you were
He was at the end of the line. He said
He
he
done had.
didn't.
You gonna tell me?
I could have got with him after the Pop Warner career was over. In high school, they got
Yeah, bro, this is literally messing up my top coat.
I go to Vegas. I go to Vegas, right?
Nice, dude.
Man, it's,
Fresh getting all hard.
So this one dude that was dating Christmas
Stop moving! Just leave it alone. You're not turning it off. It don't matter. It's already cured.